Right, we're at Robinson Club Khao Lak in Thailand. We're in room 286 and it's a standard double room. I'll just give you a little tour of this. Bathroom's pretty good, you've got a bath and a really good walk-in rain shower, which is really nice. Plenty of space, move down there. And I think it's all these stupid glass screens to the main room, so every time someone comes here at night it wakes up. We've got plenty of wardrobe space in there with drawers and stuff, put all the clothes in there, got some more drawers down there. So it's a pretty spacious room. Ours has got two small double beds, I think 4 foot wide ones rather than one big 6 foot wide. Then there's a settee there, it's a bit of a mess at the minute with stuff on it. A little table, there's a fridge in there. It's 4 board plus, not all inclusive, so you get some water every day but you don't get sort of soft drinks and stuff free. Quite a big telly, I reckon it's a 40-inch one. And then if we go out here, there we go, unlock that. Pretty good sized balcony. That table, 2 chairs, and then we've got a quiet location overlooking the spa pool. So that's only 16 and over, which is good, so you don't get any kids in there. You got the spa down there, just about to see the building. And really love the grounds. There's loads of palm trees and loads of vegetation, so it feels really, really tropical. Some guys doing a bit of maintenance there, and you can see all along there, rooms are on 3 floors, so we've got a first floor which is good. There we go, look round, and you can see balcony there, it's really good. So standard double room at Robinson Club Khao Lak in Thailand.